Good morning, meteorologist Jessica Van Meter. Clearing skies overnight, going to mean a beautiful Friday. We'll look. Get to Sunday, wind's going to shift to the south, going to pull in some nice warm air, mid 50s to mid 60s. We will have some increasing clouds, but it looks like we're going to hold on to those nice temperatures throughout next week. So some good news there. But before we get to the warm weekend, we got to get through the cold night. We do have temperatures just not where they should be at all for this time of year. We should be in the upper 20s for our average highs, a good 10 degrees below that. Just 7. Ice has already formed on the Great Lakes, and we want to break that down here on the 9 and 10 touchscreen. I just want to wear that costume. Win or lose, if you get to dress like that.
I would like to see you wear an Elsa costume doing the weather.
I think we should all wear Elsa costumes. You too.
Team Elsa. We'll get back to you on that one.
You can be Kristoff. It's okay. You can be Olaf.
I have to admit something. I have never seen this movie. I just know about the song and some people's annoyances with it. Yeah.
I want to cry for you, Adam. Of course, temperature's been above average, and that's helped to melt some of that snow. Here's a time lapse from yesterday near McBain. You can see as soon as that sun comes out, helps to warm our temperatures, warm the surface. That snow really retreating, melting very quickly. We're heading into a pretty active work and school week, and at least the beginning of that, thanks to this front that's kind of stalled out across the state. And that's going to be kind of meandering north and south throughout the next 24 to 48 hours. And a good 10 degrees above average for Traverse City, but we're going to do you one better for tomorrow. We're going to feel more like summer, 10 to 20 degrees above average. Now, if you look really closely, you can kind of see that fog developing on satellite and then really dissipating very quickly. And that's what we're left with right now. Lots of sunshine.
Jessica, there was some rain this morning, but that should be clearing up.
Yep, clearing out. A few areas are still dealing with some light rain or as the next part of the system moves in tomorrow, that's when we're going to see the active weather heading our way. We'll talk about that and track it with Future View coming up. Got some showers, thunderstorms developing for this evening. Some of those producing some pretty heavy rain at times. We'll let you know where that is and when things are going to dry out coming up in your full forecast. A dry start to the day. That front will pass through relatively unnoticed in terms of precipitation, but temperatures will start dropping. And our winds also going to shift around to the north and west. So by noontime, you can see a little more white and some pink, a little bit of lake effect snow and some spring. You get a little bit of everything. We've so far had a very dry spring, so we do need that rain, and finally getting some this morning. So everyone a good chance to see that severe weather, but best chance really in that enhanced area. So we're looking for severe now until 6:30 p.m. So obviously some very heavy rain as this pushes off to the east, or around 30 miles per hour. Also looking for potential for some hail. Another heavier area moving in for areas of Mason, Oceana County. So keep in mind as you head out to start your day, you may want to bring the umbrella, the raincoat, and certainly going to need those windshield wipers. Also a lot of lightning you can see right there, and just in that county in the past half an hour I've had over 119 strikes of lightning, so quite the light show going on there, and of course that very heavy rain to go along with it for our southwestern most areas. So we'll look for that late day development. A lot of possibilities with these storms that develop, some strong winds, large hail, even some isolated tornadoes going to be possible. And still a couple days out, so still some uncertainty with that, but something to be aware of and have a plan in place just in case. And of course, always stay up to date. You can do that with the top of your house. Basically, you just want to be away from windows, doors, as low as you can with as many walls between you and the outside as possible. And of course, have a way to get updates as in the scene. Some of those producing some very heavy rain. So we do have a flood advisory in effect for eastern portions of Newaygo County, southeastern portions of Lake County. Some areas there have already seen 1 to 2 inches of rain, and rain still falling for those folks. And that's going to be through 6 a.m. tomorrow, and some minor flooding are going to be expected there as that rain does continue to fall. Here's a look at the radar with that. You can see those eastern parts of Newaygo County. Lots of heavy rain in there. Also up towards areas of Lake and even into areas of Osceola County, some very heavy rain as well. Most of that focus north of 10 right now and also west of US 131. Here in northern Michigan, things nice and quiet, and we are going to expect it to stay that way for at least the next few days, thanks to the fact that we've got high pressure just off to our south. That's kind of going to expand and be in control of the eastern half of the country through this week. So we do have a little disturbance out here to our west. Thanks to that high pressure, though, not going to cause us too many issues. That's kind of going to dissipate. Welcome back, 510 here on Michigan this morning. We've got some clearing skies going on, and that's going to mean a great Friday. Lots of sunshine. Definitely grab those sunglasses as you head out the door. Things are going to be a little more comfortable for today, not quite as humid as it was yesterday, and temperatures very nice, 60s, 70s, just a very comfortable day. So get out and enjoy it. We'll stay mostly clear for tonight and into Saturday morning, so should be good for any plans you have then. But as we get into the second half of Saturday and Sunday, we are going to have some showers, thunderstorms returning. Some of those could be on the strong to severe side for some areas. So get in those plans, especially those outdoor ones, while you can, and keep that in mind by the later on Saturday. So for right now, skies working on clearing out over the past few hours. Just a little bit of cloud cover lingering for our southernmost counties. Aside from that, we've got those clearer skies, and that's going to mean a lot of great sunshine throughout the day. It also means some cooler temperatures for this morning. A live look at our weather station, Cadillac, 46 degrees right now, a little cooler than this time yesterday. We're starting off in those 40s and 50s. We've had some cooler, drier air moving in overnight, and that's going to give us those comfortable conditions throughout the day. So just a little cooler this morning. 41 for Newberry, Grayling, 43 for Drummond Island, Rogers City, Petoskey, 45 for Traverse City, Cadillac, 53 for Mount Pleasant. Cloud cover keeping them a little warmer for right now. So here's a look at future view. By 10 a.m., nice sunny day ahead. Get outside, soak up that sunshine. By 5 p.m., still beautiful heading into your evening hours. Any outdoor plans? Perfect night for them. We will cool off again with clear skies overnight, 40s and 50s as we start your Saturday. 8 a.m., a nice sunny start to the day. But over towards the western UP, Wisconsin, a lot of cloud cover, some showers, thunderstorms over there. That's all going to be building towards our area, arriving by the second half of the day. As we mentioned earlier, some of those storms later on Saturday could be on the strong to severe side. We're watching for the potential for some gusty winds and hail. Right now, especially areas west of I-75 outlined for a marginal risk, but the greatest risk looks to stay off to our southwest for right now. But of course, we'll be keeping an eye on that as we head into Saturday. But your forecast for today, the eastern UP and the Straits. No thunderstorms, no severe weather, just a spectacular day. Mostly sunny skies, temperatures right around 70 degrees, a nice southerly breeze. Tonight will stay mostly clear, but again falling back into the 40s. Northern lower counties for today, lots of sunshine, comfortable conditions, upper 60s to low 70s. Tonight will stay mostly clear, temperatures falling into the 40s to low 50s. Central lower counties for today, a few clouds early this morning. Those will be clearing out. A bright day for us. Temperatures getting into the low to mid 70s. Tonight will stay mostly clear. Temperatures going to go down to right around 50 degrees. Rest of your 7-day forecast will start things off nice and clear for Saturday, but showers, thunderstorms will be moving back in. We'll have a little more humidity. Temperatures getting a little warmer, 70s and low 80s for the weekend. Showers, thunderstorms going to linger into Sunday. Also a few of those for Monday as we start the next work week. Looking a little drier for Tuesday and Wednesday, but then Thursday looking like a pretty soggy day. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms.